Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Actually today we are making the best crispy fried chicken. I promise you're going to love this recipe. Alright, let's get started. Alright, to make this chicken I have about 40 chicken wings. We need half cup of flour, half cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 eggs and water as needed. Okay, alright, let's get started. So we are going to pour in our eggs, add everything, flour, cornstarch, pepper, garlic powder, and salt. Let's mix everything. We might not need water, we'll see. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of water. It's really dry, so just a little bit, probably like 3 to 4 tablespoons. Just to make sure that it coats properly. Mix really well. We are going to put it in the fridge for about 15 minutes, and meanwhile we can prepare the sauce. Okay, let's put it in the fridge. Okay guys, we are going to fry the chicken now. The oil is ready. It's pretty hot. Now make sure that it's not super hot. If it is, then the chicken will not fully cook from inside, okay? And we are going to double fry the chicken. So the crispy chicken is always double fried. And make sure that you don't put too many in there. If you put too many, then it's not going to be crispy. Alright, so we are going to fry them for 6 to 8 minutes. And after that we will double fry them on high heat for about 1 minute. Okay, so the chicken is golden brown. We are going to take it out now. You don't want to brown them too much because we are going to double fry them. Okay, so our 2 batches of chicken is ready. Now we are going to double fry the chicken. So this is the second time we are going to fry. Make sure your oil is super hot. We're only going to fry it for 1 to 2 minutes maximum, okay? Okay, so now we fried it for 1 minute and it looks pretty good. Okay guys, to make the sauce, we need 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon mustard, 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of this is Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of jam, any jam, strawberry jam or any jam you have, and then I have 1.5 tablespoon of chili peppers. If you don't want spicy, then you don't have to add. You can use only 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Okay, so we'll add oil in our pan. Okay, so this is enough oil. Garlic. I'm going to add vinegar. So you add everything in there, okay? Vinegar, your red chili pepper, Worcestershire sauce, soya sauce, jam. Believe me, the jam gives a really good flavor, so make sure you do add jam, and the mustard. Also, you will add about half cup of water. And to give a nice shine, we'll add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now we are going to cook it for 5 minutes and then our sauce will be ready. Okay guys, our sauce is ready. It's been cooking for 5 minutes. Now we are going to add the chicken. Actually, we can add all the chicken. There is enough sauce. Guys, look at the chicken. It's so crispy. You can hear it. It's so crispy. Okay, there goes our crispy fried chicken. Just to add the sesame seeds. Okay guys, our chicken is ready. It looks beautiful and smells amazing. Make sure you do try this recipe. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Ashley. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.